My dear friends, forget magnesium supplements. These two vitamins at night can rebuild muscle while you sleep. For seniors over 60, this simple bedtime trick restores strength, mobility, and energy faster than most pills. Stay until the end, because the second vitamin is the real game changer you can't afford to miss. One of the most powerful yet often misunderstood allies in your quest for muscle growth is vitamin D3. When you introduce vitamin D3 before you settle down for the night, something truly remarkable begins to happen within your body as you drift off to sleep. Your circulating vitamin D levels activate specialized receptors nestled deep within your muscle cells, known as VDRs. These incredible receptors act as internal messengers, signaling your muscles to efficiently absorb more vital minerals like calcium and phosphorus from the food you've consumed throughout the day. These minerals aren't just for bones. They are absolutely essential for your muscle fibers to contract with strength and grow larger. But the magic doesn't stop there. Taking vitamin D at night also helps cue your body to significantly increase its testosterone production during your sleep cycles. Testosterone, often thought of primarily as a male hormone, is incredibly important for everyone as they age, helping your muscles effectively utilize all the protein you've eaten, transforming it into brand new, robust muscle tissue overnight. Without sufficient vitamin D, this vital nighttime muscle repair process can unfortunately slow down by a shocking 60%, severely hindering your progress. Beyond building, vitamin D actively works to reduce inflammation within your muscle tissues while you sleep, which is critical for faster recovery from exercise and plays a powerful role in preventing the age-related muscle breakdown that can otherwise leave us feeling weaker and more fragile. Many vitamin D3 supplements offer a potent dose, often ranging from 2,000 to 4,000 IU per capsule, which is significantly more, up to 10 times, than what most seniors typically absorb from sun exposure alone. Recent eye-opening research from Harvard, tracking over 400 seniors with low vitamin D levels for 8 months, highlighted its profound impact. Those who consistently took vitamin D3 supplements daily gained an impressive average of 2.8 pounds of muscle mass, a stark contrast to the mere 0.4 pounds gained by the control group. Even ancient Viking warriors understood its power, consuming cod liver oil during their long, sunless winters to maintain their legendary strength. Incorporating vitamin D3 into your evening routine is straightforward. Aim for 2,000 to 4,000 IU with your evening meal, ensuring that meal includes healthy fats, as these are crucial for proper absorption of the fat-soluble vitamin D. Beyond supplements, you can also explore natural sources. Try grilling 4 ounces of salmon with some fresh herbs. A single serving of this fish can provide more vitamin D than many people get in an entire week. Add some oven-roasted mushrooms, crispy on the edges, with rosemary, and pair them with creamy mashed sweet potatoes enriched with grass-fed butter for optimal vitamin D uptake. And for a truly unexpected boost, consider mixing a bit of cod liver oil directly into your homemade salad dressing. You likely won't even taste it, but your muscles will thank you profusely all night long. Finish your day with a glass of fortified milk before bed. This kind of thoughtful dinner strategy can deliver over 500 IU of vitamin D, along with those essential healthy fats, providing exactly what your body needs to fuel overnight muscle building while you sleep peacefully. However, it's crucial to understand that for the absolute maximum muscle growth benefits, vitamin D supplements must be taken hand in hand with another essential nutrient. If you rely solely on vitamin D without combining it with this next supplement, you might still find yourself struggling to gain muscle. This brings us to the second, equally vital, nutrient for your nighttime muscle growth: zinc supplements. As you enter those critical deep sleep phases, your body embarks on the extraordinary task of producing growth hormones. However, what many people don't realize is a crucial detail. These powerful muscle-building hormones simply cannot function correctly without adequate levels of zinc. Zinc, a true maestro in your body, directly governs over 300 enzymes that are dedicated to rebuilding and repairing muscle tissue throughout the entire night. When your zinc levels are optimal, these hard-working enzymes remain active and efficient for a solid 6 to 8 hours, diligently working on your muscles. But when you are zinc deficient, a surprisingly common issue affecting a staggering 40% of seniors worldwide, this crucial muscle repair process can unfortunately slow down by as much as 60% during your sleep, robbing you of vital recovery. Beyond enzyme regulation, zinc plays another critical role. It actively helps transport amino acids directly into your muscle cells during sleep, precisely where they are needed to be assembled into new, strong muscle fibers. This is precisely why seniors with healthy zinc levels often wake up feeling less sore and more thoroughly recovered, while those who are deficient frequently report prolonged muscle aches and noticeably slower healing times. Quality zinc supplements typically provide a potent 15 to 30 milligrams of highly bioavailable zinc per capsule, offering up to 300% more than what most seniors manage to get from their diet alone. What's truly astonishing is that despite zinc deficiency impacting over 40% of seniors, most doctors rarely test for it, leaving a silent impediment to their health and strength. Low zinc levels can significantly slow down wound healing, reduce crucial testosterone production, and most frustratingly, block your muscles from effectively utilizing the protein you meticulously consume. This explains why some seniors can eat plenty of protein, yet still struggle profoundly to build muscle. They're simply missing this critical mineral link. A groundbreaking study conducted at the University of Michigan followed 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. The results were compelling. Participants who consistently took 20 milligrams of zinc daily saw their muscle protein synthesis increase by an impressive 34%, alongside a remarkable 40% faster recovery from exercise. The researchers even discovered that zinc literally turns on the genetic switches that instruct your muscles to grow stronger and repair themselves at an accelerated pace. Historical accounts suggest ancient Egyptian physicians understood this power, using zinc-rich remedies over 4,000 years ago to heal warriors' wounds and restore their fighting strength. To maximize your zinc absorption, it's best to take your supplement with a full glass of water, ideally about 2 hours before bedtime. However, it's absolutely critical to understand that taking these beneficial supplements will be completely futile for your muscles if you mistakenly pair them with the next 3 common supplements I'm about to discuss. The last one on this list is incredibly common, so much so that I'm confident many of you have probably taken it this very week. These seemingly harmless additions could actually create a poisonous environment for your muscle building efforts, something you absolutely want to avoid. Shockingly, most seniors are entirely unaware that they are unknowingly sabotaging their very own muscle building goals by taking certain vitamins at night. After extensively reviewing countless nutritional studies, treating thousands of patients battling muscle loss, and consulting with leading researchers in muscle preservation, I've pinpointed 3 specific supplements that seniors absolutely must avoid, particularly in the evening if they're serious about building or preserving muscle. The first supplement you should never take at night if you're striving to build or maintain muscle is the B-complex vitamin. This might initially sound surprising, as doctors and nutritionists often recommend B vitamins for boosting energy, supporting nerve health, and enhancing metabolism. Many seniors take them daily, genuinely believing they're helping their bodies combat fatigue. However, here's the crucial, often missed truth. When you consume B-complex at the wrong time, specifically in the evening hours, you are inadvertently working directly against your muscle-building objectives. B-complex vitamins contain a potent blend of nutrients such as B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin, all well known for their stimulating effects on the nervous system. They elevate your metabolism, gently increase your heart rate, and heighten alertness. While these effects are highly beneficial in the morning or early afternoon when your body needs energy to stay active and focused, consuming them at night causes this false energy boost to completely backfire. Remember, muscles are not solely built through exercise or what you eat at dinner. They are primarily built during the profound repair cycles of deep sleep. This is the crucial time when your body releases essential growth hormone, diligently repairs damaged muscle fibers, and converts the dietary protein you've consumed into brand new lean tissue. But if your nervous system remains stimulated and switched on from a B-complex vitamin, you simply won't spend enough time in slow-wave sleep, which is the absolute most critical phase for genuine muscle recovery and growth. A compelling 2019 review published in Sleep Medicine meticulously tracked how late evening B vitamin use impacted older adults, revealing striking results. Seniors who took B complex in the evening experienced significantly reduced melatonin production, a delayed onset of deep sleep, and considerably fewer minutes of restorative slow-wave cycles. In essence, their bodies missed the precise window of time when muscles optimally grow and repair. And the negative impact extends further. Elevated B vitamin stimulation at night can also dangerously spike your cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Cortisol not only disrupts your sleep by keeping you awake, but actively works to break down valuable muscle proteins for energy. For seniors already contending with age-related muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia, this can tragically accelerate weakness, frailty, and the erosion of independence. I'll never forget my patient Margaret, an 87-year-old who came to me utterly frustrated. She was faithfully exercising 3 times a week, drinking her bone broth and protein shakes, and fully expecting results. Yet, instead of gaining muscle, she continually lost strength. After delving deeper into her routine, we uncovered the hidden culprit. She was taking her B-complex supplement right after dinner. Within just a week of moving her B-complex to the morning, she reported noticeably better sleep. Within 3 weeks, she had regained 2 pounds of lean muscle and proudly reported feeling stronger than she had in years. The lesson here is simple, yet incredibly powerful. If you genuinely want your body to build muscle, you must give it the uninterrupted chance to recover. This means absolutely no B complex after late afternoon. Take it with your breakfast to fuel your day, and then allow your nights to be solely for deep restorative repair. Next, let's talk about the second supplement you should never take at night, vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is frequently lauded as a miraculous nutrient, celebrated for its benefits to immunity, skin health, and overall healing. And indeed, it is an important vitamin for many functions. However, when it comes to the intricate process of building and preserving muscle, the timing of its intake becomes paramount. Taking vitamin C at night, especially close to your bedtime, can subtly but powerfully sabotage your body's natural repair cycle. Here's precisely why. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. While antioxidant often sounds universally good, at night, your muscles actually need a small controlled amount of oxidative stress to initiate and trigger crucial recovery processes. This mild stress is the precise signal that tells your body to release growth hormone, activate vital repair pathways, and rebuild those delicate muscle fibers that were broken down during your daytime activities. But when you flood your system with a high dose of vitamin C at the wrong time, you essentially blunt this critical signal, effectively shutting down muscle protein synthesis precisely when it should be peaking for optimal repair. Studies involving older adults have even shown that a high intake of antioxidants before bed can significantly reduce the body's ability to activate mTOR signaling, which is the key pathway your muscles use to absorb amino acids and grow stronger. In plain terms, your muscles simply don't receive the essential message to repair themselves. And the impact doesn't end there. Vitamin C also possesses a mildly stimulating effect. It assists in the production of norepinephrine, a brain chemical that contributes to alertness. Seniors who take vitamin C at night frequently report tossing and turning, which translates directly into less time spent in slow-wave sleep. This disruption is incredibly critical because slow-wave sleep is the exact period when your body naturally releases growth hormone and performs deep tissue repair. Without it, the collagen proteins and amino acids from your diligent diet simply cannot perform their crucial job effectively. I vividly recall Harold, a 79-year-old retired teacher who approached me utterly puzzled. He was consistently drinking bone broth daily and engaging in light weightlifting, yet, to his dismay, he felt weaker each week. Upon closer inspection of his routine, we discovered he was taking a significant 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C every single night with his dinner broth, genuinely believing it would boost healing. The moment he shifted his vitamin C intake to the morning, his sleep quality dramatically improved, his post-exercise soreness noticeably decreased, and within a mere month, he regained muscle strength he had believed was gone forever. The lesson is abundantly clear. Vitamin C is an invaluable nutrient, but its place is never at night. If you are truly serious about building muscle and preserving your independence, consume your vitamin C early in the day. This allows your body to harness its natural, perfectly designed nighttime repair cycle without interference. If you found the advice about B complex and vitamin C surprising, then prepare yourself for this last one, as it affects nearly everyone. The third and final supplement you should never take at night, if your goal is to build muscle, is caffeine. Many seniors typically associate caffeine only with their morning cup of coffee or tea, yet it stealthily lurks in numerous supplements, pre-workout powders, and even some energy-labeled multivitamins. While a modest amount of caffeine early in the day can indeed offer benefits like enhanced focus and improved circulation, consuming it in the evening is arguably one of the quickest and most direct ways to completely sabotage your crucial muscle recovery. Here's why this seemingly innocuous substance poses such a threat. Caffeine vigorously stimulates your central nervous system and significantly elevates cortisol, which is your body's primary stress hormone. While this might deliver a temporary burst of energy, at night it comes with a heavy and undeniable cost. Elevated cortisol directly interferes with muscle protein synthesis, the very process your body uses to efficiently convert dietary protein and collagen into brand new muscle fibers. Even worse, caffeine blocks the vital adenosine receptors in your brain, which are part of the intricate system designed to tell your body it's time to rest and sleep. Without proper adenosine signaling, you'll find yourself struggling to fall asleep. And when you finally do manage to drift off, your precious deep sleep cycles, the most restorative phases, are significantly cut short. This is an absolute disaster for seniors, because deep sleep is precisely when growth hormone peaks and when genuine, profound muscle repair truly happens. A revealing 2020 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience meticulously followed 160 older adults for 10 weeks. The results were concerning. Those who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost an alarming 28% more lean muscle mass compared to their caffeine-free counterparts, even when both groups consumed the same amount of protein. The researchers unequivocally concluded that disrupted sleep caused by caffeine directly led to lower growth hormone release, which in turn directly translated into weaker muscles. I vividly recall treating Gloria, an 81-year-old retired nurse who came to me frustrated. She was faithfully drinking her evening collagen broth and exercising diligently 3 times a week, but she wasn't observing any muscle gains whatsoever. After meticulously reviewing her routine, we uncovered the surprising culprit. She was unknowingly taking a nighttime fat burner supplement that contained 150 milligrams of hidden caffeine. The moment she eliminated it from her regimen, her sleep dramatically improved. Within a month, she reported feeling notably stronger, and her hand grip strength test showed a remarkable 19% improvement. So, here's the undeniable truth. Caffeine itself isn't inherently evil, but impeccable timing is absolutely everything. If you genuinely want your collagen and protein to effectively rebuild and strengthen your muscles, you must keep all caffeine strictly in the morning. This means no coffee, no tea, and absolutely no caffeinated supplements after lunch. Now, I'm genuinely curious. Which of these vitamins have you been unknowingly taking at night? Please share your experiences in the comments below. I read every single one and am always fascinated by your insights. If you are truly serious about finally building the strong, resilient muscles you absolutely deserve at your age, I've created something very special just for you. My exclusive 30-day muscle recovery meal plan features over 90 high-protein, collagen-rich recipes, all specifically designed to maximize your muscle growth and recovery. Every single recipe in this plan is carefully crafted to avoid the very vitamins that are unnecessary or detrimental for your evening muscle building efforts, as I've just revealed. Furthermore, I've included precise timing strategies to optimize vitamin absorption and ensure you're getting the most out from your diet. You'll discover the link to this comprehensive meal plan in my pinned comment below or in the video description. But here's something even more exciting to look forward to. Tomorrow, I'm revealing a revolutionary secret that will completely change how you think about building powerful leg strength. This clinically proven method has been shown to increase muscle activation by an incredible 34%, all without a single exercise whatsoever. I can only share this groundbreaking information with my valued subscribers first, so if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. You absolutely do not want to miss tomorrow's video. Trust me, this leg strength secret will genuinely shock you, and I guarantee you've never heard anything like it anywhere else. See you soon, and here's to a stronger, more vibrant you.